We've talked about the devices and now the nature of the dialogue, with the kind of feedback we get from the computer for each of the discrete character strokes and actions that the user goes through when he's executing a command. So that system is really represented to a user by the repertoire of commands he has, by the function of each of those commands, and by the control dialogue he has for each of them. So they all together go in and making a design, and to do it well, you have to be very careful about the nature of the functions in that repertoire and the natures of the way they're controlled. So we've developed a very special language for talking with extreme precision about these control, both the command functions and the control dialogue for them. And a little bit later, when we tell you about the programming, Jeff Rulison will bring in some special examples to you of the languages we've used actually to program at high level these functions and the control feedback that we get in these control dialogue. But that's what we're going to call the control meta language in there. Let's see how we're doing here. Okay, let's move our little marker to say we've now gotten control techniques by us.